Hi foodies, welcome back. I know you're asking what's so special about this banana bread. This timeless classic banana bread uses not butter or margarine, but olive oil to transform those ripe bananas into this moist, flavorful loaf that will have everyone asking for more. If you're new to my channel, I'm so happy you're here. Please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. So let's get started. In a bowl, peel and smash 3 ripe bananas using a fork. Then add in 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/3 cup of olive oil, and a 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Whisk or beat until completely mixed together. My family are fussy eaters, so they will not eat this until it's smooth enough not to taste the banana. So I'm going to blend this mixture until it's smooth. And once you get a smooth batter consistency, remove and place into a bowl. Then to this, add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt, 3/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and 1 1/4 cup of cake flour. Mix all the ingredients together, then pour it into a grease-proof cake pan about 25 centimeters long and 5 centimeters deep, and bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes until a lovely brown color. Once baked, allow it to cool for 10 minutes before removing it from the cake pan, and serve this with butter, honey, or fruit jams. Enjoy, and don't forget to let me know how it turned out if you do try it out. Connect with me on these social media platforms, and until the next time, happy baking!